Here's how to stop Nvidia app notifications, driver updates, rewards, and everything else. Open the Nvidia app and click Settings on the left sidebar. Go to the Notifications section. You will see options to manage driver update notifications and available rewards notifications individually. Turn off whichever ones you do not want. You can also click Manage Windows Notification Settings, which takes you directly to Windows notification settings for the Nvidia app. From there, you can turn off all Nvidia notifications at the OS level or customize them further. For example, keeping visual notifications but disabling the sound that plays when one arrives. The Windows level setting is the more thorough option since it prevents any Nvidia notification from appearing regardless of what the app itself sends. Use the in-app toggles if you want to keep some notifications like driver updates, but mute rewards and promotional alerts. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.